What's going on, guys? Wheels on the block. I'm here with the 67 Chevelle, and I need to fix this portion of the A-pillar. I got to pull this metal this way and pull this metal that way. I'm going to show you how we can do it with this quick and easy to use tool. So today I'm going to be using the stud ease or stud gun. I'm going to take one of these copper studs, heat it up, weld it to this metal, then we use this to pull the metal where we need to move it to. These are pretty simple to use. Just pop it in there like so. Make sure that your metal surface is clean. If this is not clean, it won't work. See, it glows a little bit and heats up. Put you guys in here nice and close so you can see the next one here. Contact's no good, come on. Especially you just squeeze the trigger and it heats up, as you can see, and welds those things to there. We'll take our slide hammer that's sitting up there in the wiper cowl. Alright, well, you've seen it in action. Got the slide hammer. We'll weld on studs and pull your metal out. Makes life a lot easier when you don't have to get behind the metal and hammer it out or hammer and dolly from inside and out. Especially pieces that you can't get in behind, like this A-pillar. So, quick video showing you how to use the Unistud Dent Puller. My name is Erwin. This is Wheels on the Block. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos. We'll see you next time.